We are going to take question number 7. Here it is as sin x by sin of x minus a dx. We have to find out the integral. So if you observe, it is not coming under any standard integral. So what to do here? In that case, you see, we have to go for substitution. Let x minus a equals to t. Then from here, x is what? X is your a plus t, or you can write t plus a. It is your t plus a. Then differentiating this, dx is your dt. Now put the values or substitute the value in I. It is sin of x is what? T plus a. Oh, let me write t plus a divided by sin of x minus a means t, and dx is your dt. Means we have transformed it in a suitable form in terms of t. Then just you have to expand sin of t plus a using the formula sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So if you write it, then sin a means t, cos of a plus cos of t sin of t, whole thing divided by sin of t dt. After that, integration, you divide term wise, this by sin t, this term by sin t. Then sin t cancel out, you will get cos a here, plus cos t by sin t, you will get cot of t, and sin a as it is, sin a as it is, and dx means is your dt. With respect to t, we have to integrate now. Then you see here, integration of cos a dt. Cos a is a constant. Cos a is a constant, or it's a number. It will be taken out from the integral sign. Then integration of dt, let me write directly t, plus sin a is a constant. So let me write sin a here, and integration of cot of t dt, plus c, constant of integration. You will get t cos of a plus sin of a, and integration of cot t, you remember integration of cot t is your log of sin t. So you will write here log of sin t plus c. So you can give modular sign also, as log of negative number is imaginary, that's why whenever you will take log of some variable or some function, then it should be always non-negative, positive, equals to, now give back the value of t. T is your what? X minus a. So it is your x minus a, and cos of a, plus sin of a as it is, log of sin t. So log of sin t means what? X minus a. So you have to write here x minus a plus c, constant of integration. This is your answer. So we have solved question number 7. Now let us take question number 8. Now question number 8, let us see the integrand at first, the function actually, e to the power 5 log x minus e to the power 4 log x divided by e to the power 3 log x minus e to the power 2 log x. So whenever you will see this problem, you will feel that it's a very complicated and difficult, but just you have to know a simple property of logarithm, and if you use that property, it's a simple integration. The property is that, let me write here, e to the power, if I write log of say any number a to the base c, that value is a, means e to the power log of a to the base c, the value is directly a. This property should be known to you. So first of all, you do one thing here, e to the power, and this property known to us that 5 is coefficient, I can take the power. So log of this 5 I can take as a power of x, that is x to the power 5, minus e to the power, this 4 is the coefficient of log, so you can take e to the power log 4 in the exponent of x, that is x to the power 4. And if you use the property of log, then 4 times log of x, it will be like that. So here also e to the power 3, so you just write x cube minus e to the power twice log x, so you can write log of x square dx. What we have done? We have used the property of logarithms. Then another property of logarithm means this property we are going to use. So e to the power log of x to the power 5, and whenever base is not written there, you remember in case of differentiation or integration, whatever logarithm is considered, the base is always e, that is your Napier's logarithm or natural logarithm. So here you will get x to the power 5 if we use this property. E to the power log of a to the base e is directly a. E to the power log of a means x to the power 5 to the base e, that x to the power 5 minus x power 4 by x cube minus x square dx. After that, integration of, here x to the power 4 common and x minus 1, and here you can take x square common, x minus 1 dx. So these two terms will be cancelled out. X to the power 4, x to the power 4 divided by x square, it is nothing but integration of x square dx, which is your x cube by 3 plus c. This is your answer. This is a simple solution of question number 8. Now let us take question number 9. Now question number 9. I equals to integration of cos x by root over 4 minus sin square x. For this, again, as I told you, have to think about substitution so that it becomes simple. Then what to substitute? You have to substitute in such a way, whatever function you will substitute as t, when you will differentiate so that the second function comes. So here you see, if we take, let sin x equal to t, sin x equal to t, it will give you cos x dx equal to dt. Therefore, I equals to integration cos x ds dt, let me write simply 1 here by root over 4 minus sin x, sin square x, sin x is t, so let me write t square and dt. So after this, when you will substitute, you will get 1 by root over 4 minus t square. Now it becomes simple. As you know, 1 by integration of 1 by root over a square minus x square, that is what? Sin inverse x by a. So here also 1 by root over 2 square minus t square, that will be simply sin inverse t by 2 plus c, because it is a square means 2 square, a is 2 here, equals to sin inverse, and t is your what? T is sin x, sin inverse of sin x by 2 plus c. This is your answer. So question number 9 we have finished. Now let us take question number 10. Now let us see question number 10. In this question, it is as integration of sin to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x, 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. So first of all, we have to simplify the function so that it becomes easier to find the integral. So let us do one thing. Let me take the numerator here, sin to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x. You can write it sin to the power 4x whole square minus cos exponent 4x whole square. So it is your a square minus b square. So you can write a means sin to the power 4x plus b cos to the power 4x into a minus b sin to the power 4x minus cos to the power 4x. That is simple. Sin to the power 8x is cos to the power 4x whole to the power 2, and cos to the power 4x whole to the power 2, a square minus b square, in that formula we have written. Now here you see this, there is a formula, that means you can write a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab. So now we are going to put it in this form. That is nothing but sin square x plus cos square x whole square. For this I have written this. Then plus, and you have given plus here, so it will be minus 2 sin square x cos square x. This is for this part. I repeat, just assume it, consider it as a square plus b square. A square plus b square formula is your a plus b whole square minus twice ab. That's why a plus b whole square minus twice ab. And do one thing, this sin square sin to the power 4x again minus cos to the power 4x. So you can take it sin square x whole square, cos square x whole square, then you can write a plus b into a minus b. So here it will be sin square x plus cos square x into sin square x minus cos square x. I hope it's clear. That means sin to the power 4x minus cos to the power 4x, I have written a plus b into a minus b. That is sin square x plus cos square x into sin square x minus cos square x. If you multiply this, you will get it. And for this part, you will get this expression. Then finally what you will get, this is the 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta. So let me write 1 minus, it is as it is, 2 sin square x cos square x as it is. Again here you see sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is your 1. Here it is 1. And do one thing, from here you can write minus of cos square x minus sin square x. It is actually sin square x minus cos square x. So we have given minus here, I can write cos square x minus sin square x. So finally you will get 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x within brackets. As you know, cos square theta minus sin square theta is your cos of twice theta. So here you can write minus cos of 2x because it is cos square x minus sin square x. So this is the simplified form of the numerator. Then what happens? Here I equals to integration. If you write it in the numerator, you see this term and this term will be cancelled out. Let me write. This value is how much? This much. So I will write 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. This is one term and it is minus cos of 2x divided by, in the numerator already 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x present with respect to dx. This will be cancelled out. I equals to integration of minus cos of 2x and dx. This minus you can take outside of the integration sign. Then you see, integration of cos of 2x is what? Sin of 2x by 2. So let us write, minus sign is here, this minus sign is here, sin of 2x by 2 and plus c. This is your answer and this was your question number 10. Now let us take question number 11. Now question number 11, here it is given integration of 1 by cos x plus a into cos of x plus b. In this problem, you have to use trigonometric identities and you have to arrange it in such a way so that we can use the trigonometric identities. For this, a special step is there. That step you have to remember. Otherwise, its answer will not come. What's the step? You have to take 1 by sin of a minus b, which is a number or constant independent of x, into integration. Then here let me write sin of x minus a, x plus a minus x minus x plus b, x plus b. this arrangement you have to remember. Cos of x plus a, cos of x plus b as it is dx. What's the arrangement? You see, sine of x plus a minus x plus b. And if you open the bracket, x cancel out, a minus b will come. And here it is 1 by sine of a minus b. It will be cancelled out, means it is already balanced. This system only you have to remember. After that, as usual, you will apply sine of x minus y formula. Then you will divide by this. Let us go in that way. Sine of a minus b into integration sine of x minus y, sine x or sine a, this cos of second term x plus b, sine x cos y minus cos x, cos of this x plus a, sine y, y means x plus b here, so x plus b, whole thing divided by cos of x plus a, cos of x plus b with respect to x dx. Then you see 1 by sine a minus b as it is into, now you divide term wise, this term by denominator minus this term by denominator. If I divide this, what happens? Cos of x plus b, it will be cancelled out. Sine of x plus a, here it will be sine of x plus a by cos of x plus a dx minus integration, and when you will divide this, then you see again cos of x plus a, cos of x plus a cancelled out, sine of x plus b, x plus b divided by cos of x plus b, cos of x plus b dx. We have divided, accordingly we have taken the integral term wise. Integration of this by this minus integration of this term by this. Then you see equals to 1 by, it is as it is, sine of a minus b into sine x plus a by cos x plus a is what? Tan of x plus a, and integration of tan x is your log of sec x. So let me write directly, it is your log of sine by cos, that will be your, okay, let me write here, it is 1 by sine a minus b as a whole, it is common, now into, it is integration of tan x plus a dx minus integration of tan x plus b dx, this much here. So finally your answer will be, here you see, after this step you can write I equals to 1 by sine a minus b into integration of tan x log of sec x. So we will write here log of sec x plus a, this log of sec x plus a you will get here, and minus log of, it is integration of tan x log of sec x, the log of sec, it is your x plus b, x plus b, this part you get here, plus c, that is constant of integration. Now you see 1 by sine a minus b, and it is just use the property of log. Log a minus log b is your what? Log of a by b. So log of sec x plus a by sec x plus b plus c. You can give modular sign here. So this is your correct answer. You can give the answer here also, but if you see in your textbook answer, so it is in terms of cos, then many students think that answer is wrong. Not. Just you see, sec of x plus a if you want to give the answer in terms of cos, sine of a minus b as it is, we can write log of sec means what? 1 by cos of x plus a whole thing divided by this sec of x plus b means 1 by cos of x plus b. This we can write like this way. So finally, if you simplify, plus c is here, 1 by sine a minus b into log of, it will be reversed. Here what you will get? Cos of x plus b divided by cos of x plus c. So in your textbook, answer is given in this form. And this is also correct. From here only we have obtained this. Thank you. Now question number 12. It's a easy one. You can solve it yourself also. It is x cube divided by root over 1 minus x to the power 8. So we can write 1 minus x to the power 4 whole square dx. Now from here, can you guess what to be considered as t? Definitely x4. If you take x4 as t, then derivative of x to the power 4 is what? 4x cube. So x cube is coming. So let x to the power 4 equal to t. So 4x cube dx equal to dt. So therefore I is what? I is your x cube dx. X cube dx is dt by 4. So let us write 1 by 4 outside of the integral sign. And 1 by under root over 1 minus x4 is what? T. That is your t square. And here it is with respect to t. That is dt. So it is what? 1 by root over 1 minus x square. 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Integration of this much is your standard formula. That is your sine inverse x. So you can write what now? 1 by root over 1 minus t square is just sine inverse t. So implies I equals to 1/4 of sine inverse t plus c. So finally put the value of t here. I equals to 1/4 of sine inverse t is what? X to the power 4. So x to the power 4 plus c. This is your answer. So that was easy, number 12.